Emigrating to the USA has many advantages and disadvantages, which can be assessed differently depending on your individual life situation and goals. Here is an overview of the most important pros and cons. Advantages: career opportunities and economy. The United States offers a strong economy with many job opportunities, particularly in industries such as technology, finance, medicine, and entertainment. Many companies have global reach, which opens up international career opportunities. Education system and universities. The USA has some of the best universities in the world, such as Harvard, MIT, Stanford, which is attractive to many students and researchers. Diverse cultures and lifestyle. There is a diversity of cultural experiences and lifestyles in the United States. Geographical diversity. From the Rocky Mountains to the beaches of California, the USA offers diverse landscapes and climates. The opportunities for outdoor activities and travel in the country are almost endless. Technological and medical innovations. The United States is a center for technological and medical innovation. Those working in these areas have access to the latest developments and resources. Disadvantages: visa and immigration processes. The immigration process to the USA can be lengthy and complicated. There are strict requirements and visa processes are often fraught with uncertainty and long waiting times. High cost of living. The cost of living is particularly high in metropolitan areas such as New York, San Francisco, and Los Angeles, which can pose a financial challenge for many expats. Health system. The U.S. healthcare system is expensive and unaffordable for many, especially without insurance. Even with insurance, the cost of medical services is often higher than in many European countries. Veterans. A significant number of homeless people are military veterans who have difficulty reintegrating into civilian life after their military service. Many suffer from post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, and cannot find the support they need. Lack of social safety nets. The United States has a less developed social safety net compared to other developed countries. Support systems such as social assistance or unemployment insurance are often limited or difficult to access. Economic inequality. High rents and the lack of affordable housing are a central factor in many large cities. Income inequality is particularly pronounced, and many people cannot afford housing even if they work. Safety and gun laws. The crime rate varies greatly depending on the region. In addition, gun laws in the USA are very relaxed compared to other countries, which can make some immigrants feel insecure. Social security system. Compared to many European countries, the social network in the USA is less developed. Lots of unhealthy food and high cost of healthy food. Many Americans consume highly processed foods and convenience foods that are easy to prepare. These products often contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and a high amount of calories, fats, and sugar, which can lead to an unhealthy diet, and therefore there are many overweight people. Unemployment benefits, pension insurance, and other social protections are often less generous and less comprehensive. Cultural differences. Despite the cultural diversity, the way of life in the USA, which relies heavily on initiative and individual responsibility, can be unfamiliar for some Europeans. Immigrating to the USA offers numerous opportunities, especially in terms of career, education, and cultural experiences. However, at the same time, it also brings challenges, particularly in terms of the healthcare system, cost of living, and the immigration process. Your decision to emigrate to the USA depends on your individual life situation and your goals. If you are willing to deal with difficulties such as the high cost of living, the complex healthcare system, and the strict immigration process, and if the USA offers you good professional and personal prospects, emigrating could be an interesting option. However, the dangers and uncertainties of the US-American life outweighs others. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.